In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on Zoom Meeting. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting and need to send a document, image, or other file to the people in the call, Zoom makes that pretty simple through the chat panel. This is useful when you want everyone to have access to a file without having to leave the meeting or send it another way. To get started, look at the bottom of your Zoom window. In the meeting controls, click Chat. As soon as you do that, the chat panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you can send messages during the meeting, and it's also where you can share files directly with participants. Once the chat panel is open, go down to the chat box at the bottom. Near that area, you'll see a file icon. Click that file icon, and Zoom will show you several places you can upload a file from. Depending on what you use, you may see options such as Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, SharePoint, or your computer. For this example, choose your computer. After you click that option, your computer's file browser will open. From here, simply navigate to the folder where your file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct file, especially if you're sharing something important during a meeting. When you find it, click the file to select it. After selecting the file, it will be prepared in the Zoom chat box. At this stage, you'll be able to see that it's ready to send. The last thing you need to do is click send. Once you do, the file will be shared in the meeting chat for others to access, depending on the meeting settings and permissions. If the file option doesn't appear, keep in mind that some meetings may have file sharing restricted by the host or by account settings. In that case, you may need the host to enable chat file sharing before you can send anything. Also, it's a good idea to double check that you're sharing the correct version of a file before clicking send, especially in work or class meetings. And that's it. That's how to share files on a Zoom meeting using the chat panel. Once you know where the chat and file options are, the process is quick and easy, and it can save time when you need to share something with everyone in the meeting right away.